This is the AI News Flash for August 1st, 12 p.m. UTC. First up, China's Moonshot AI secured access to roughly 20,000 Nvidia chips through a computing agreement with Alibaba, according to Bloomberg. The Hopper generation cluster accounts for most of the compute used to train and run the company's flagship Kimi K3 model. Kimi K3 has 2.8 trillion parameters, making it the largest open-weight system in the world. Several people said the agreement covers H200 chips, Nvidia's most powerful Hopper accelerators. Alibaba pushed back, calling the claim completely groundless. However, the cloud provider did not deny supplying 20,000 Nvidia processors, and it declined to say which models make up the cluster. Alibaba is one of Moonshot's largest investors and encourages portfolio companies to use its cloud. Awkwardly, Kimi K3 now outperforms Alibaba's own Qwen models on several key benchmarks. The deal shows how compute is being redistributed inside China, while U.S. export controls remain in place. Next, meeting notes startup Granola has been hit with a class action accusing it of recording meetings without consent and using those recordings to train AI. Tara Chamberlain, a Florida resident, filed the suit on July 30th in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California on behalf of a proposed nationwide class. The complaint says Granola records virtual and in-person meetings by default without disclosing its presence to most participants, then feeds those recordings into model training. It also points to the company's own marketing line that other people in the room will not know it is there. The filing brings 7 claims, including invasion of privacy, violations of the Federal Electronic Communications Privacy Act, and California's Invasion of Privacy Act, which allows statutory damages of $5,000 per violation. Granola raised a $125 million Series C in March at a valuation near $1.5 billion, with customers including Asana, Brex, and Mistral AI. Third, Snapchat said on July 31st that it is changing the algorithm behind its Spotlight Discovery feed to demote fully AI-generated videos from recommendations. Human-made clips get priority in ranking, while videos that merely use Snapchat's own creative tools stay eligible with a visible indicator attached. Chief Executive Evan Spiegel said the company is stopping AI slop on Spotlight. Snapchat added that the number of unique Spotlight contributors is up 120% year over year. A day earlier, LinkedIn introduced a Seems Like AI slop reporting button and replaced its AI writing tool with a proofreading feature. The company says it has already blocked billions of AI-generated posts and comments in recent months. Curbing low-quality synthetic content has become a shared problem across major platforms. Fourth, zero-trust security company ThreatLocker raised $190 million in a Series F round. Elephant led the round. Koch Disruptive Technologies came in as a new investor, with continued support from D.E. Shaw Ventures and Arthur Ventures. The target is malicious AI agents. ThreatLockers allow listing blocks, unauthorized AI tools, and AI-generated code from executing, while its ring-fencing feature limits what approved applications and AI agents can access and modify. Founded in 2017, the company employs 730 people and protects more than 70,000 organizations. Total funding now stands at $490 million, after a Series E in April 2025 at a $1.2 billion valuation. Controlling agent permissions is quickly becoming a core security spending category. And finally, developer platform Supabase released Evals on August 1st, an open-source benchmark that scores AI coding agents on real development work. Tasks include building schemas, debugging edge functions, and fixing row-level security policies. The suite runs against real containerized stacks rather than mocks. Scoring combines deterministic checks with an LLM judge, and agents get one retry. Opus 5 and Kimi K3 scored 100% unaided, Sonnet 5 went from 78% to 100 with skills, and GPT 5.6 Sol moved from 89% to 100. Smaller models benefited most from added skills. The project is released under the Apache 2.0 license. In regulated sectors like fintech and healthcare, a badly written row-level security policy is a security incident, so a shared yardstick for agent reliability has been badly needed. That's all for this AI News Flash.